There is one scene where Wu Lei and Zhao Jinmai are required to ride a motorbike together. Of course, in the drama, this scene looks very exciting, but did you know that when shooting this scene, Mai was a little scared? While filming this scene, the big motorbike that Wu Lei and Mai were riding passed a speed bump, causing the motorbike to shake slightly. Actually, Wu Lei didn't really drive the motorbike, however Mai was still a little shocked and screamed. When this happened, Wu Lei of course quickly calmed Mai down by gently stroking Mai's hand that was wrapped around his waist. And they can still continue filming in peace. Wu Lei is a really reliable man, especially when he's with Zhao Jinmai.